Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you are new here, and I am a makeup beginner, and I am going to be unboxing makeup subscription boxes, if that makes sense. So yeah. So right now, I got the February Birchbox, and I don't know exactly, I think Birchbox is supposed to be like natural products or something, or like vegan or whatever. I'm not really sure. I didn't really, like, I've heard of them, but I don't know. I didn't really do too much research. I'm just like, yeah, sure, whatever. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is like this nice, I love this color. It is like this teal, like turquoisey color, and it just says, hey look, I'm not a Bill. That's so funny. I think there's like 5 samples. I don't think that there's any like full-size items in here. I don't think anyways. I could be completely wrong. I don't know how you get into this. Oh my gosh. I'm just destroying the box at this moment. Oh, there we go. Okay, so like there's these little like perforated like tabs, and you just like rip. Like that. In case you were wondering. I have not opened this box yet. This is completely a surprise. I have no knowledge of anything that is in this box. I waited for you guys on this one. If you watched my last video, the BoxyCharm, I couldn't wait. I had to rip into it. Ooh. Okay, this is so weird, but it's like a box within a box, and oh my god. Can we just appreciate how cute this is? This is adorable. I'm gonna be saving these little boxes because wow, this pattern and everything, it's like a maze. It says end right here. So it's like a maze. That's very cute. Oh my gosh. Alright, and then it comes with a card, and it just shows like the stuff that's in here. And then it's like this little tissue paper. Oh, maybe there is some full-size products. Okay, seeing lots of green stuff. Ooh, sorry, I shouldn't have put this on here. The thing I have like my camera on is like really super unsteady. All right. Oh, why does this look like it's like half or like used or something? Okay, so it's got this Momo shampoo, moisturizing shampoo for dry or dehydrated hair. Okay, and it says it's got yellow melon extracts. Okay, I'm like really picky about what I put in my hair because hello, it's like textured. So yeah, I don't want like sulfates or whatever in it. And I can't read what's the ingredients right now because I don't have my glasses, but yeah, what? This looks like it would, you would think that they would have like a seal on it or something. It smells okay. Definitely got like a melon hint to it, okay. And it seems like it's like really runny, do you see that? Like I can't really show you without dumping it all over the place. But I'll try it out, okay. Next up, we have this, what even is this? This is all in a different language. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's all in, I think, French, and it's from this Embrace, I'm not even gonna pronounce it because I'm just gonna butcher it. I don't know what this is. Oh, Nourishing Repair Care. I don't know if it goes on your face. Oh, okay. Yes, it goes on your face. Apply to clean, dry skin on the face and neck in the morning and evening. Spread gently and leave to penetrate. Okay, so it's like some sort of like moisturizer. I didn't expect things to be in a different language, but I'm not complaining. This just like adds to more of the mystery. All right, so it's got little directions here. Look at those later. And this is what it looks like. Oh, this one's definitely got a seal on it. How do you open this? Probably like this. Like a tube of super glue. Oh, it started coming out. I have to smell everything. If you haven't seen like any of my previous videos and this is your first time, like I smell everything. I don't know why, but this has zero smell at all. I'm just gonna take what is in the cap here and just kind of feel it and stuff. Okay, I always like to use like new moisturizers and stuff, and it definitely feels very moisturizing. Have to give that a go. So the next product is from MAC, Strobe Cream. This is definitely like what you would get in an Ipsy bag. Yeah, I don't know what the heck this is. It's like some sort of like, probably like a highlighting something, like the illuminating face cream or whatever you put on before to make your face like really like shiny or something. Yeah, it's definitely what this is. It definitely looks like it's going to be very shimmery or whatever. And it just smells like makeup, kind of like foundation. I never like had a problem really, or had like a thing for wanting my face to be very sparkly or whatever, but whatever. The next product is the conditioner for the shampoo that I got, the Momo conditioner. Moisturizing conditioner for dry or dehydrated hair. Just a little packet. I'd rather them give me more conditioner than shampoo because I definitely go through conditioner more than shampoo. For obvious reasons, you know. If you've got like curly, wavy, textured hair, you know what I'm talking about. The next product is from Benefit and it says they're real. This also reminds me of Ipsy. Ooh, a new mascara. That's awesome. I think this is a mascara. I'm assuming so. So yeah, that's what the little spoolie looks like. Smells like mascara. I can't wait to try this. I have the Benefit Roller Lash mascara. Oh my gosh, I love it. It is like my favorite. So I am so excited to be trying a new mascara from Benefit. The next product is, it's a perfume. It's that. I can't really pronounce. Oh my gosh, my camera is dying. Oh my gosh, I have to be fast. Okay, so I don't know. Ooh, how do you get this out? How do you get this out? We're on a time crunch now. Why? Oh my gosh, I got like a perfume sample from Sephora and it was only like that much full too. Okay, so we're gonna see how this smells. Ooh, I sprayed too much. It's okay. Oh, I did like swatches from like my previous video. I forgot to wash them off. All right, I got one more product from Birchbox and it is, I think, like a toner or a micellar water from La Roche-Posay. These are all like really foreign names. I don't know. So yeah, that is it. So, okay, that's all I got. I actually got more than 5 products. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I got 7 products. I think they were just all samples. It looks like 7 little samples, so that's cool. It's like still samples, but it's like more than what Ipsy gives you. I don't know. If you've watched like any of my other videos, I like refer to Ipsy in every single one of my videos because like I'm just so like accustomed to like that like subscription box or whatever. So yeah, I will give Birchbox, I guess, another go. They didn't seem very bad, but yeah, I will continue the subscription and I will see you guys in my next video, like my next Birchbox video, you know, for next month. Alright guys, that is it to this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would be awesome. And see you guys in my next video. Bye!